This is Sahil from helpfull.com, and in this video I will show you how to clear the search history of your YouTube app. So if you want to clear the search history of your YouTube app, you can do it by using this feature of YouTube. First you need to open your YouTube app, and here you need to select the profile icon at the top right corner. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see that there are lots of options will be given, but you need to select the history and privacy. Under history and privacy you will see a second option called clear search history. Once you click on clear search history, it will show a small window, and after this you need to select the clear option. After this your history of your YouTube app will be clear now. So this is the way to clear the search history of your YouTube account. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to clear the search history of your YouTube app. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and visit our website helpfull.com.